Welcome back, Crypto fam, to Crypto Chuckles, your go-to place for all things crypto with a side of fun. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most entertaining parts of the crypto universe, meme coins. Yep, the coins that started as jokes but somehow made millions. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the og of meme coins, Dogecoin. Doge was created back in 2013 as a joke. No white paper, no grand vision, just a meme with a dog. But here's the crazy part, it became one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. At its peak, Doge hit a market cap of $90 billion. Can you imagine? A coin with a Shiba Inu on it worth billions. And all of this for what? The laughs? The memes? Well, yeah. Turns out people just love dogs and memes, and apparently they love throwing money at them too. After Doge's insane success, we got Shiba Inu, also known as the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu launched in 2020 and quickly gained a cult following. Why? Because people saw Doge pump and thought, why not this one too? And guess what? It did. In 2021, Shiba went up a mind-blowing 70 million%. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like winning the meme lottery, except instead of a ticket, you're buying a coin with a dog on it. What could go wrong, right? So why do people keep investing in these meme coins? I mean, let's be real, there's no groundbreaking technology behind them, no serious financial strategy. But here's the thing, memes are powerful. People love the idea of getting rich from something silly, and the internet loves a good joke. Plus, there's a whole community vibe with these coins. People rally behind the memes, the jokes, the underdog story. And let's face it, it's way more fun to tell your friends, I just made money on Bitcoin, than explaining how a blockchain works. Now, while meme coins can be fun and even profitable, they come with huge risks. These coins are super volatile. 1 minute they're skyrocketing and the next boom, they crash. A lot of people made serious cash with Doge and Shiba, but plenty of folks also lost money chasing those highs. It's like trying to catch a falling knife, except the knife is a meme and it's flying at you at 100 miles per hour. Not great for the faint of heart. So what's next for meme coins? Will they stick around or will they fade out like last year's TikTok trend? Honestly, they've already lasted longer than anyone expected. And with more meme coins launching every day looking at you, Floki and Baby Doge, the meme coin craze doesn't seem to be slowing down. As long as there's a community willing to back these coins and people are having fun, they'll stick around. Plus, you never know when Elon Musk might tweet about a new one and send it to the moon. Before you dive into meme coins, remember this is high-risk territory. It's not like buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have more stability and long-term use cases. Meme coins are fun, but they're also a gamble. So don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Think of it like playing the lottery. If you win, great. If not, at least you had some fun along the way. That's all for today's episode of Crypto Chuckles. Thanks for tuning in to hear about the wild world of meme coins. Whether you're here for the jokes, the profits, or just the roller coaster ride, we've got you covered with all the crypto news and fun insights. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next hilarious and informative episode. Drop a comment below, what's your favorite meme coin and have you ever made or lost money on one? We'd love to hear your stories.